Hi all. Today I am going to discuss one important interview question, that how to use iterate list iterator method to iterate through array list. So for that purpose I am going to create one class here. Let's say iterate array list. So I am selecting public static void main so that we can get main method into our class. So I am using this array list, and I have added these four cities into this array list, and now we would like to iterate through this. So first of all, we can print the original array list given array list. Okay, can print it here. Okay, if we run it, we can see that these four cities are added into this array list or not. So right click, run as Java application. So we can see here these four cities are added into this array list. Now our ask is to iterate through this array list. So I am going to iterate this array list in forward direction as well as in reverse direction. So first I will try to iterate this array list in reverse direction. So for that purpose, first of all, I am writing one message here, print message here, list of cities, reverse order. Okay. So what we can do here, we can use city dot list iterator, and what it returns? It returns list iterator, a list iterator over the element in the list in proper sequence. So it will return what? A string of list iterator. So we can give some name here, list cities. So and when we hover this, we can import list iterator from Java util. And now we can use file loop, and first we are going to iterate in the reverse order. So what we can do here, so we are using this object, list iterator object, and dot has previous. So until and unless there is element when we iterate in the reverse direction, this loop will continue. And now what we can do, we can print it. No, one more thing we need to do. Yes, we can print it also here. So list cities dot previous. So it will give previous element in the each iteration unless and until there is element when we iterate in the reverse direction. Okay. And one more important thing is we need to pass here the size of array list. Then only it will work. I'm saving it and I'm going to run it. So let's see, list of cities in reverse order. So what was the exact order? New York, London, Houston, Paris. Now it is listing in the reverse direction: Paris, Houston, London, and New York. Okay. So like this, now we would like to iterate in the forward direction. So for that, I can print one statement here. List of cities in forward order. Okay. So we can do here. So again, we need to use while loop, and here this object we need to use there dot has. Now earlier we have chosen has previous. Now for forward iteration we need to choose has next. Okay, so this loop will work until and unless there is element in the forward direction. So now we can print there list cities dot next. What it gives? It gives next item. The next element in the list it will return. Okay, and this has next or has previous returns true if the list iterator has more elements when traversing the list in the forward direction. And the same way true, it returns true as previous if the list iterator has more elements when traversing the list in the reverse direction. Okay, so I can write this so that it will be entered in the next line. So I am saving it, Control Shift F for formatting, Control S, and let's run this program and see it is giving the desired output or not. So run as Java application. So you can see here the given array list: New York, London, Houston, Paris. List of cities in the reverse order: Paris, Houston, London, New York. List of cities in the forward order: New York, London, Houston, Paris. So in this way, we can iterate through array list in reverse or forward direction. Thanks for watching this video.